Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need two things now: the subtitle file and a capable player. First, confirm the subtitle extension, SRT, VTT, or AS, so the app recognizes it. Next, move the subtitle into the same folder as the video. This reduces lookup errors. Open your file manager to verify both files are visible together. Then launch the player app you installed. Once done, open the video file in that player. Make sure the app has storage permission, so it can load the external subtitle file. With the video playing, access the player's subtitle or track menu and choose Load External Subtitle. If the player auto-detects, great. Otherwise, tap Add and navigate to the SRT or VTT file. If timing is off, use the subtitle sync control to shift subtitles forward or back in milliseconds. Small adjustments matter. Also check encoding. UTF-8 avoids weird characters, and set font size and language preferences. This gives readable, correctly timed subtitles for comfortable viewing. Once subtitles look right, save your player settings or create a playlist so the same subtitle loads next time. If the file displays gibberish, convert it to UTF-8 or 2. SRT using a simple editor that fixes encoding issues. If subtitles still won't load, rename the subtitle file to match the video file name exactly. This triggers automatic loading in many apps. One key troubleshooting tip: if timing drifts across the file, try re-downloading a correctly timed subtitle instead of excessive manual shifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.